Are you planning to travel abroad soon? Don't worry about language barriers. I've got you covered. In this video, you'll learn 100 of the most useful English words that travelers use every day. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident speaking English anywhere in the world. So, grab your notebook and let's start your journey to fluent travel English. Passport. Don't forget to bring your passport to the airport. Visa. I applied for a travel visa last week. Airport. The airport was very crowded this morning. Flight. Our flight to London leaves at 7 p.m. Ticket. I bought my plane ticket online. Boarding. Please show your boarding pass at the gate. Luggage. My luggage is too heavy to carry. Suitcase. I packed my clothes in a big suitcase. Customs. We went through customs after landing. Immigration. Immigration officers checked my documents. Security. Security took my water bottle at the checkpoint. Gate. The boarding gate number is 14B. Terminal. Our terminal is on the other side of the airport. Arrival. The arrival time is delayed by 1 hour. Departure. The departure gate has changed to number 10. Delay. The flight delay was due to bad weather. Baggage. I can't find my baggage on the carousel. Check-in. We checked in 2 hours before the flight. Reservation. I made a hotel reservation online. The hotel room has a beautiful sea view. Reception. Please ask for your key at the reception. Key. I left my room key on the table. Elevator. Take the elevator to the 5th floor. Room. Our room is on the top floor. Bed. The bed in this hotel is very comfortable. Breakfast. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. Restaurant. We had dinner at a local restaurant. Menu. Can I see the menu, please? Waiter. The waiter was very friendly. Bill. Can I have the bill, please? Tip. We left a small tip for the service. Taxi. We took a taxi from the airport to the hotel. Bus. The airport bus arrives every 30 minutes. Train. I prefer to travel by train. Station. The train station is 5 minutes away. Ticket office. The ticket office closes at 6 p.m. Map. I need a map to find the museum. Guide. Our tour guide spoke perfect English. Tour. We joined a sightseeing tour of the city. Museum. The art museum is free on Sundays. Park. We relaxed in the park after lunch. Beach. The beach was clean and not crowded. Shop. I bought souvenirs from a small shop. Souvenir. I got a souvenir keychain for my friend. Money. I exchanged my money at the airport. Currency. What is the local currency in Japan? Card. You can pay by card here. Cash. I prefer to pay in cash. Price. The price of the ticket is too high. Discount. Is there any student discount available? Taxi driver. The taxi driver helped me with my luggage. Bus stop. The bus stop is just around the corner. Schedule. Check the schedule before leaving the hotel. Seat. I reserved a window seat. Aisle. I walked down the airplane aisle to my seat. Window. The window view from the plane was amazing. Boarding pass. I printed my boarding pass at home. Announcement. The flight announcement was not clear. Pilot. The pilot greeted us before takeoff. Crew. The flight crew offered drinks and snacks. Snack. I had a small snack during the flight. Drink. Would you like a drink? Restroom. Where is the nearest restroom? Emergency. In case of emergency, follow the exit signs. Exit. The exit is at the end of the hallway. Ticket machine. The ticket machine only accepts coins. Subway. We took the subway to the city center. Downtown. Our hotel is located downtown. Street. The street was full of restaurants and shops. Corner. Turn right at the next corner. Address. What's the address of the restaurant? Phone. I need to charge my phone. Internet. The hotel provides free internet access. Connection. The internet connection is very fast. Charger. Don't forget your phone charger. Adapter. You'll need a power adapter in Europe. Camera. I took photos with my new camera. Photo. Let's take a photo together. View. The mountain view from the balcony is stunning. Weather. The weather is perfect for sightseeing. Temperature. The temperature drops at night. Clothes. I packed light clothes for summer. Shoes. Wear comfortable shoes for walking. Bag. My shoulder bag is missing. Sunscreen. Don't forget to apply sunscreen at the beach. Sunglasses. I bought new sunglasses at the airport. Hat. I wore a hat to protect myself from the Sunday. Umbrella. Take an umbrella. It might rain today. Medicine. I need some medicine for my headache. Pharmacy. The pharmacy is across the street. Hospital. He was taken to the hospital after feeling sick. Police. The police helped me find my wallet. Embassy. I went to the embassy to renew my passport. Problem. We had a small problem with our reservation. Help. Can you help me find this place? Information. Where is the information desk? Language. I want to learn the local language. Local. We ate dinner at a local restaurant. Travel. I love to travel and meet new people. Journey. Our journey around Europe was unforgettable. Great job! You've just learned 100 of the most useful English words for travel. Now you can speak with confidence wherever you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love traveling too. And remember, every new word takes you one step closer to fluency. See you in the next lesson.